यस नो पक्का? दीदी नहीं समझ आया? कहाँ अटक गई?
इसके पहले
समझ आया? माइनस वन ऐसे ही मेरा मन कर रहा था, जो बड़ी खुजली हो रही थी, मैं माइनस वन बड़े दिन से यूज नहीं किया क्लास में, तो मैंने सोचा है ना बेटा? बेटा यहाँ अपना जो क्वेश्चन था दैट वाज 31 रेज़्ड पावर 59. Now forget this power. Simply tell me 31 divided by 32. Remainder is 31. Or what is the negative remainder? Minus 1. Either I am 31 in excess or I am 1 in short. Can I replace 31 with minus 1? मैंने वही किया बेटा. Minus 1 raised पर odd minus 1 ये भी उड़ गया. Now minus 1 divided by 32 remainder is minus 1. That means a positive remainder of plus 31. I got the answer. Everyone? Everyone? Yes. इससे next question और tough करने वाला हूँ, then you will all cry. यहाँ तक समझ आ गया सब लोगों को? Now next one which है
ऑप्शन में अगर -1 भी दिया और 31 भी दिया
नहीं होगा, because both are the remainders. और अगर दिया भी है तो we always would take the positive remainder, never the negative remainder. Right? Now let's say I have a number which is 2 raised to the power 1942, a love story divided by 15. तो सर लव स्टोरी के पीछे बड़ा पड़ा है. Can you tell me what will be the answer? Now it will not be that easy. Let us understand. 2 की कोई ऐसी पावर मुझे बताओ जिसका 15 के साथ रिलेशन प्लस या माइनस 1 हो. 16. That means 2 raised to power 4. So what I am going to do is I will write 2 raised to power 4. Whole raised to power पावर बैलेंस करनी पड़ेगी. 4 4s are 16. 3 34, 4 8s are 32, 2 22, 4 5s are 20. 2 remainder. So can I say this into 2 raised to power 2? ये अगर टोटल पावर देखो आप तो 485 into 4 होगा 1940 plus 2. When the bases are multiplied, powers are added. So 1942 की पावर बैलेंस हो गई. Yes, no? Divided by 15. Now 2 raised to power 4 is 16. This becomes m. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. This becomes n. Now m divided by 15, remainder is 1. Replace. N divided by 15, remainder is n. 4. As it is, 1 raised to power 485 is 1 into 4 is. Can I say this becomes as good as 4 divided by 15? What is the remainder? 4. समझ आया क्या किया मैंने?
सर उधर आपने जब 2 raised to 4 का पावर लिया और उसको पावर किया, देन आप पॉइंट में ही ले सकते थे, लाइक 485.5.
पावर में 0.5 करूंगा तो आगे जिंदगी कहाँ जाएगी? Do you mean to say that 1 raised to the power 0.5 is 1?
Yes. 1 raised to 0.5 is 1.
You mean to say this? 1 raised to power half is?
square root of 1
Plus minus 1. Plus or minus 1.
No. This will be 1. Let me take this. 2 raised to power 1 by 2.
1.41.
No. It's not my chacha's shop, no? Where I can go and shop anything. I can't do. Powers के अंदर, points के अंदर मत जाओ. You will face a problem. Right?
Sir, 4 divided by 15, 4 कैसे वापस समझना?
मेरे पास 4 चॉकलेट हैं, 15 लोग हैं खाने वाले. क्या मैं किसी को कुछ दे पाऊंगा? नहीं. कितने बचेंगे? 4 के 4 ही बचेंगे ना. अगर मेरे को एक राउंड बांटना होगा तो -11, मतलब मेरे को 11 और लाने पड़ेंगे. बट इस केस में 4 डिवाइड बाय 15, 4 चॉकलेट है, 15 लोग खाने वाले हैं, मैं किसी को कुछ नहीं दे सकता. चारों के चारों मेरे रिमाइंडर है. Are we together? Everyone? For sure. Can you do another question for me? It is 7 raised to the power 43 divided by 342. 344 कर दो. You realize 7 cube is 343? 7 cube raised to the power 3 1s are 3, 1 13, 3 4s are 12 into 7. Because 14 3s are 42 plus 1, 43. Power balance हो गई divided by 344. Now 7 cube is 343. 343 divided by 344. Minus 1 raised to power 14 is plus 1 into 7 is 7. Can I say it is as good as 7 raised to power 344, which amounts to 7. 7 is my remainder. Very clear? Everyone? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Let's get on to the next thing, which is known as factorial. Have you heard what is factorial? हमने बचपन में पढ़ा था 10 factorial is equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Yes, no? इसमें क्वेश्चन कैसा पूछता है वो? पहला सिंपल क्वेश्चन, how many factors of 2 are there in 10 factorial?
5.
Now 10 factorial is a multiplication of 10 backwards to 1. Do you realize I have one factor here? I have two factors here, not one. 2 into 2, 4. I have one factor here and I have three factors here and I have one factor here. So 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. I have got total 8 factors of 2. Yes, no? इसी क्वेश्चन को दूसरे तरीके से पूछना. He will say, what is the highest power of 2 which divides 10 factorial completely?
3.